we guide you through how to put your iPhone in recovery mode quickly and easily. First, connect your iPhone to a computer using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Then open iTunes on Windows or older Mac OS, or open Finder if you're using Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later. Next, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and immediately press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even after the Apple logo appears, and do not release it until you see the recovery mode screen showing a cable pointing to a computer. Once the device enters recovery mode, your computer will detect the iPhone and display a message asking if you want to update or restore the device. Choose Update if you want to reinstall iOS without deleting your data, or choose Restore if you want to erase the device and install a fresh system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and once finished, your iPhone will restart normally.